Hi friends, this is Devansh Lakhani from Lakhani Financial Services. Last week we made a video on a topic called why marketing of a product is more important than the product itself for any startup or any business. So what happened is after that we started getting a lot of questions and a lot of queries from quite a few of startups on our various social media pages that even if we do marketing, we don't have that much money, probably because we are not funded right now. We don't have any money that we can actually allocate as our marketing budget, because we can't even think about putting any kind of money on something which is irrelevant right now, and apart from the product or the development, or to actually start to get the product launched or to get the business launched. So what we thought is that I should make a video on what kind of marketing hacks that we can use as startups, which will not only ensure you that you are present across various platforms, but it will ensure that you don't have to spend any kind of money, or very little money, very less money that you can allocate. And so this is the video that I'm making today, which will actually give you 6 marketing hacks or tips or platforms where you can actually run your campaigns or your marketing campaigns free of cost or at very little cost. But before that, I would request you all to actually subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, so that whenever we make such videos on startups, on investing, on businesses, you all get that notification, and we are ready with the content to actually help you out and share our knowledge with you. Also, guys, just one thing before we actually run through the 6 low-cost marketing hacks or platforms or tips. One thing that is very important and very critical to actually, before you start marketing or before you start your campaign, the one thing which is very critical is the mindset change or the mindset shift that is required from entrepreneurs or from early stage startup founders. Because till now you've been focused only on product and its development, the idea, the launch, etc. But if you're watching this video and if you resonate with me, what I'm trying to say out here, right? If you don't get that marketing, that mind shift, that you need to focus on marketing more than the product itself or what you have been doing till now, if you don't get that shift in your mindset, then it will be very difficult for you to adopt to whatever I'm trying to say out here, or whatever I'm trying to help you out with out here. Because that mindset shift is the biggest game-changing thing that is going to happen. Without that, you will actually feel that, okay, yeah, I'm not into this thing, my main passion is this product, is the development, is this thing. But you need to understand that if you don't have that mindset shift or the change, the product might never see the light of the day, and it might not even reach out to the people to solve the problem which you initially started the business for. So before I give you the 6 hacks, here's one thing: you need to have that mindset change. That is the most important thing. The first marketing hack that every startup founder should have is a team. You need to invest in a team that can do or run your marketing campaign. Now, I get it, guys, many of the startup founders are solopreneurs, one founder who has a lot of multiple things on their desk, on their table that they have to do, and marketing would probably and ideally be the last possible thing that they would actually focus on. So if you are doing that, and if you are somehow managing to do very little types of marketing, maybe some messages on WhatsApp, some stories on Instagram, your personal Instagram, etc., or some messages on LinkedIn here and there, that is something which is not going to work out to a large extent if you want to go from solopreneur to on a higher scale, which is something which even I have done before. And trust me, guys, I was not good at any of those things, but I was just doing for the sake of doing, just to actually reach out wherever and to whomever I could actually reach out to. But if you are looking to actually start a campaign and a proper campaign, you need to have a marketing team. Now that marketing team can be your co-founder if you all are 2 people or 3 people team, and one of them is inclined towards marketing or is passionate about marketing, to learn about digital marketing. There are multiple courses available. to get those skills imbibed to actually start doing marketing for your startup. That would be the most, and in fact that would be free of cost, because you would not be charging. You're all doing on equity basis, so that would be the best thing. One guy could focus on marketing. Another thing would be, you all could hire probably very low cost maybe interns or maybe employees or friends or freelancers who could actually run your marketing campaign for you. Prepare the graphics, prepare the designs, do the videos, etc. Those kind of things are available at very reasonable cost, which would actually not take a huge part of your budget of putting things together and to showcase your product to the audience. So that's the first hack. You all need to invest in a low cost marketing team. The second marketing hack that I'm going to tell you about is actually a platform which can be used by everyone, and it's absolutely free of cost, is Instagram or Facebook. More specifically Instagram, because probably Facebook has the marketing side of Facebook has little bit reduced as what I come to know. But yes, for Instagram, what you need to do is, if you have a product and if you are making some content or some post, it should ideally be in alignment with its algorithms or the users that are actually registered on the platform. So once you have a team, now that you have a team already, what we've spoken about is that you all can create a firm page and you just start posting about your business, about your product, about your service, ASAP. So that what happens is people come to know what you are doing. Everyone is on Instagram, the world is on Instagram. What you ideally need to start off with is that you start following people who are actually posting from their personal accounts or from their firm accounts on products or services which are related to your industry or your business or your sector. So what happens is, you are directly when you are posting, it directly reaches those people who are actually interested or who can resonate with your product or your service. So this will ensure that you have a good number of following, and you are also following good number of people. And you never know, guys, Instagram, Facebook, trust me, this is from my experience. You might get your customer from there, you might get your vendor from there, you might get your employees from there. It's a huge platform. I've connected with people outside India, and we've tried to collaborate or work some things together. It's in the process, right? I've got my clients also from Instagram. So trust me, guys, this works a lot. Before you actually even launch a product, or even after you launch a product, get on Instagram and Facebook and just start posting, connect with people, increase your community. So the third hack, more than a hack, the platform that you need to be present and which is absolutely free of cost for everyone and anyone, and where the world is present, is LinkedIn. Guys, trust me, LinkedIn is blowing up. It has been blowing up since the last 2 or 3 or 4 years approximately. Before that it was normal because there was Twitter, there was Facebook, Instagram, but now LinkedIn is the platform where everyone is present, and of course it's the most preferred B2B marketing platform. But trust me, guys, for B2C also, I've seen a lot of activity that is happening on LinkedIn, and it is completely blowing up. It's going to be a huge marketing platform in the coming future also. In fact, I'm just reading some stats in front of me. I'll read out them to you. LinkedIn is the #1 B2B platform for marketing used to distribute content at 94%. So 94% of the people are using LinkedIn to actually distribute their content. LinkedIn makes up more than 50% of the social media traffic to websites and blogs. That is amazing. That is a very huge number. 92% of the marketers include LinkedIn in their digital marketing mix. Why aren't you using it? If not, why? The question to you is, why are you not using it? You should be present out there. This is all free of cost. It does not take any of your money. It just takes your time and your efforts, and the most important thing, your commitment. And if your team has this, if you've already listened to my first point, you get the team on board, just go out and do it. Blow it. The fourth platform or the hack, the low cost marketing hack or the low cost marketing platform that every startup should be present, or maybe every startup founder who should be present, is Twitter. Guys, if you are into B2C and majorly service providers, you all have to be on Twitter, because Twitter is a place where, you know, every short message, one short messages, you know, they have a lot of value, a lot of importance, and thousands of people read those messages if you are using the correct hashtags, or you know, if you are actually following the right people and trying to, you know, reach out to those kind of people. You all won't believe that Twitter, it's not only to share your thoughts, or you know, your basic kind of emotions or your thoughts generally by writing those short messages. You all can actually sell your product or your service, market them properly, and reach out to the current, to the correct audience. Trust me, guys, this is from my experience. The startup where we funded right now, a month back, called Rekla. The first angel investor whom we got out there was also, I connected with him on Twitter, and then we connected really very well on call, we exchanged a lot of notes, a lot of ideas, etc. And he actually became an angel investor in one of our startups. So Twitter is mind-blowing. You all need to be out there. Again, it's free of cost. I'm not telling you all to run any kind of ads, but you all need to post, and you all need to have that effort, invest that time, and most important thing, again, the commitment. The fifth hack, or the fifth free of cost platform that everyone and every startup founder should be present on is YouTube. Not only this is a free of cost platform that is available, to anyone and everyone. It will actually help you to reach your potential customers, your vendors, or your employees, in a steadfast manner. After all, of course, people don't want to read lengthy sales letters. Rather, they would be interested in, watching something which is informative or edutaining about your company's products or your business, right? What happens is that when you're posting regularly on YouTube, you are not only reaching out to multiple number of people from across the world, but you're creating trust, you're creating authority, you're creating recognition. Depending on your business and your product or your service that you're providing, you could actually, host live seminars, you could host Q&A sessions, you could, feature some expert interviews, or host some conference or, events, or your new product launch or something like that on YouTube, which would actually reach out to multiple number of people. So again, YouTube is something, if you post there regularly, you're creating some videos. For example, I'm doing this right now, This is something which allows me to reach out and to help people, especially startup founders, small, early stage startups, and the founding team, the founders out there, to provide them with whatever knowledge that I have learned in my experience, as an entrepreneur or businessman. I can reach out to y'all in whatever this absolutely free of cost manner, and provide y'all with that knowledge that y'all can probably use in your businesses and your startups also, which would be a great feeling for everyone. The sixth hack that I'm going to tell you about is something that you all need to do is consistently. All these kind of marketing hacks that I've given above it will all fail if it is not done consistently, if it is not done daily, if it is not done in a regular and a disciplined manner. If you have now understood all the above 5 points, and if you've got your team in place, if you've got your pages, etc. in place, the next thing, and the more important and the most important in fact thing, is to do these kind of posts daily, consistently. For example, if you are on Twitter, you need to tweet probably 3 to 4 times a day. If you are on LinkedIn, you need to post at least once or twice a day. If you are on YouTube, at least make 2 videos or 1 video a week for sure. If you are on Instagram, you need to post 2 to 3 times a day on Instagram, so that the algorithms work in your favor. And those kind of algorithms, they push you to your audience. They try to help you gain more followers, more build your community, grow your network. So these things are very, very important. If you don't do it consistently, if there is no commitment from you or your team, then trust me guys, whatever, if you're doing it half-heartedly or something like that, it's not going to probably work for you. So you need to do it consistently. And this is one thing which I have learned from watching Gary Vaynerchuk. I don't know if you all follow him, but you all should follow him. He's the king of marketing, in this new age. he actually tells one thing which it struck me very hard, is that any founder or entrepreneur is in the business of media first. After that, he is into any other kind of business, or maybe education, agriculture, whatever else he's doing. He's first in the business of media, and then later on something else. So once you get this thing right, trust me guys, you'll actually follow all these kind of hacks that I have noted down, and it will help you to build your startup and to scale it up to the next level. This all takes no money at all, only time, effort and commitment. Guys, if you really like this video on your 6 low-cost marketing hacks or tips or platforms to start marketing your product and your service without giving it a major thought, then please request you all to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, so that whenever we upload a video, you get the notification first, and we are being able to bring out with the best possible content and on startups, on angel investing and on businesses. Thanks a lot.